Hi, I'm Kecia Healy with the Car Seat Pros. This video is going to be a quick introduction to the Joie Mint Latch and the Graco GoMax. We're going to talk about how these two infant seats are similar and how they're different. So the reason we are matching up these two seats is that they both have one unique feature. They both offer rigid lower anchor attachments. So rigid latch on the infant seats. Both seats are rated from 4 to 30 pounds. But that's sort of where the similarities end. So we're going to talk a little bit about their differences. Mint Latch goes to 30 inches tall, making sure that your child has at least 1 inch of shell over their head. We've got 3 sets of harness slots as your child grows. We have 3 positions for the lower anchor attachments, so 3 positions for you to attach the seat to the lower anchor bars in your vehicle. And then we have a bunch of different Joie stroller options that Mint Latch is compatible with. Now, for GoMax, the big difference here is that you can get GoMax with or without a base. Mint Latch is strictly baseless. There is no base option available for that seat. But if you choose to go with GoMax, you can buy it with the base or without the base. And if you buy it without the base and decide later on you want the base, you can buy the base separate. So that's probably one of the main differences between these two seats. The other difference is that where Mint Latch has 3 sets of harness locks that you have to manually rethread as your child grows, GoMax offers a no rethread harness with 6 positions. So it is as simple as choosing the position that you need as your child grows, right? And that is the tallest position. The GoMax also goes to 32-inch height limit as opposed to 30-inch height limit, so you can get a little bit more time height-wise in the GoMax. GoMax offers 4 positions for the lower anchor attachments. And the seat has a unique feature where it remembers the last setting that you used to install it in the car. So when you, I'm finding the lever back here, right? When you detach it, take it out of the vehicle, and then go to put it back in your vehicle, it's going to extend and lock into the position that you used last. You have the option to change that position if you need to, but if you're putting it in the same car over and over again, it's going to remember the position. This one also has the unique feature of when you squeeze the handle in the back to release the rigid latch connectors from the latch bars in your vehicle, this swings back and out of the way, right? Which is nice. It makes it easier when you're getting out of the car. It's not touching anything in your vehicle interior. You might have noticed I put my hand there when I did that, because otherwise it makes a loud noise that will startle your baby. So you will learn pretty quickly when you release it to just put your hand there or to guide it with your hands so it doesn't make that loud noise, right? But that is an easy workaround. Both seats have excellent features. Really, if you're trying to decide between Mint Latch and GoMax, both are excellent choices. It's just really a matter of deciding if one seat has particular features that are important to you. With that said, for more information, you can follow our channel or check out the website at thecarseatpros.com. We've included a link in the description. Thanks for watching.